How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So in order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and then log in into your Trust Wallet account. So it's going to ask you to enter in the passcode in order to log in. So once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. So right over here, in order to buy cryptocurrency, you need to tap the swap button located right at the bottom. So in order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, first thing first, you have to go ahead and select the cryptocurrency. So in my case, I'm gonna go with Bitcoin, and here you'll be able to find multiple options such as send, receive, buy, and more. If you want to buy crypto, go ahead and select buy button. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to enter the exact amount that you wish to pay for the cryptocurrency. So click on buy with credit card if you want to do it. So it's going to take you to the web page where it's going to ask you to enter in the credit card details, enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy, and then you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully bought crypto on Trust Wallet. So in this way, you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.